you're welcome. This is Learn Yoruba with Olabisi channel where you get to learn everything about Yoruba. It's language, food, culture, traditions, and every other thing while also having fun. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications. Your subscription means a lot to me and I really appreciate that. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. I love you so much. Thank you. And so in this video, we'll be learning numbers in Yoruba language. Numbers 1 to 20 in a very simple way for you to understand and pick up very quickly. And we'll be learning in two ways, the normal numberings and then the second part where you can use it in your normal day-to-day activities. Yes, so stay tuned and let's get started. 1. Ọ̀kan or ení. Ọ̀kan, or you say ení, or you say ẹyọ̀kan. Ọ̀kan and ení, they are used for normal numberings, but then if you want to say I want one, ẹyọ̀kan, you use ẹyọ̀kan. 2. Èjì, èjì or méjì, méjì. 3. Ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀ta or mẹ́ta, mẹ́ta. 4. Ẹ̀rin, ẹ̀rin or mẹ́rin, mẹ́rin. 5. Àrún, àrún or you say márùn, márùn. 6. Ẹ̀fà, ẹ̀fà or mẹ́fà, mẹ́fà. 7. Èje, èje or méje, méje. 8. Ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀jọ or mẹ́jọ. 9. Ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀sán or mẹ́sàn, mẹ́sàn. 10. Ẹ̀wá, ẹ̀wá or mẹ́wàá, mẹ́wàá. If you are still here by now, that means you are learning, so do not forget to subscribe and like this video as well. Do not forget. So now 11 to 20. Ọ̀kànlá or mọ́kànlá, ọ̀kànlá or mọ́kànlá. Èjìlá or méjìlá, méjìlá. 13. Ẹ̀tàlá or mẹ́tàlá, mẹ́tàlá. 14. Ẹ̀rìnlá or mẹ́rìnlá. From 15 now you'll be hearing dín, dín. Dín means subtract, reduce, deduct. Do you hear me? So now 15 is ẹ̀ẹ́dógún or mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. It means márùndínlógún. Ogún is 20. We are still going there. So it means deduct 5 from 20. That's 15, right? So 16 now. Ẹ̀rìndínlógún or mẹ́rìndínlógún. 17. Ẹ̀tàdínlógún or mẹ́tàdínlógún. Ẹ̀tàdínlógún or mẹ́tàdínlógún. 18. Èjìdínlógún or méjìdínlógún. Èjìdínlógún or méjìdínlógún. 19. Ọ̀kándínlógún. Ọ̀kándínlógún or ẹyọ̀kándínlógún. Ẹyọ̀kándínlógún. And 20. Ogún. Ogún. If you've learned from this video, you find this video helpful, can you like it? Subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe as well. And then comment, yes, comment. Let me know if you are learning. Let me know how you feel about my content, and probably you have something you would like me to do a video on, to tutor you, and then kindly do that. Kindly comment. I will appreciate that a lot. And for language tutoring, I'm available. You can send mail to my email in my profile, my bio. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Bye.